নমস্কাৰ নতুন এটা ভিডিঅ'লৈ স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি আচলতে আমাৰ মেডিকেল কলেজত মেণ্টৰ মেণ্টি মিটিং হৈ আছে। এইফালে মই আমাৰ প্ৰেজেণ্ট কৰি আছিলোঁ। মেণ্টৰ মেণ্টি মানে মই মেণ্টৰ হয়। নতুন NMC নিয়ম মতে NMC নেশ্যনেল মেডিকেল কমিশ্যন তাৰ আণ্ডাৰত এটা নতুন নিয়ম বনাইছে। মই প্ৰত্যেকজন মানে ফেকাল্টিৰ আণ্ডাৰত ষ্টুডেণ্ট মানে সোমোৱাৰ লগে লগে এজন হেৰি প্ৰত্যেকৰ আণ্ডাৰত মানে ষ্টুডেণ্টবিলাকৰ আণ্ডাৰত মানে হেৰি থাকে, মেণ্টৰ এজন থাকে আৰু গোটেই পাছ কৰালৈকে বা পিছতো হ'ব পাৰে মেণ্টৰ হৈ থাকিব মানে। তো মোৰ আণ্ডাৰত মানে এইকেইটা আছে, চবৰ আণ্ডাৰত এনেকৈ আছে। ইহঁতৰ এইকেইটা মই মেণ্টৰ। হিমজিত আছে, অমল আছে, অনুভা, ৰীতি, দীপাৰ নামটোৱে মনত অহা নাই মোৰ। মেণ্টিৰ নামেই মনত অহা নাই পটকৈ। তাৰপিছত হানা আছে পটকৈ। তো আমি চবকেইটা মানে কিবা লাগিলে কিবা চিনিয়ৰ মোৰ লগত যদি থাকে নহয়, মোৰ লগত যদি থাকে ইহঁতে কিবা কিবি হেল্প লাগিলে এনিথিং হেল্প কিবা কিবি হেল্প চবেই চবক মানে হেল্প কৰিব লাগিব। মই ক'ম বা কাৰোবাৰ কিবা থাকিলে হেল্প কৰিব লাগিব, এইটো নিয়ম। চবৰে তেনেকৈ আছে, চব ফেকাল্টিৰ আছে। বাকী ফেকাল্টিৰে কি মেমে এতিয়া প্ৰিন্সিপাল মেমে অলপ আগতে আহিছিলে, কি ভাষণ দিছে সেইটো অলপ আগতে দেখাব যাম ন, হয়নে নহয়? তো কিবা লাগিলে মোক সিহঁতে ক'ব বা কিবা মই পাৰিলে যিমান পাৰে হেল্প কৰিম আৰু এনি টাইম মানে এনি মুমেণ্ট এজ এ মেণ্টৰ মেণ্টেলি চব মানে এভৰিথিং আই শ্বেল ট্ৰাই টু হেল্প মাই চেল্ফ। থেংক ইউ ছ' মাছ। ভিডিঅ'টো চাব কিন্তু একেলগে হা। বাই বাই গুড ডে।
National Medical Commission has introduced this program for all medical colleges even from other academic 2024. So all the students of our college, the mentee students, have got their mentor. The students and the number of the teachers and the students, the percentage is quite it's not possible to give the 2 or 3 mentees, but the number of students and the faculty number is not that equal, so that our mentees in each faculties got 5 or 6. So till they have finished their internship, they are as a mentee until and unless they get their registration number. So this is one of the programs. So today I like to request our principal ma'am to say a few lines about the program. Thank you.
Thank you. Are all the students here? Okay. So a very hearty good afternoon to one and all present here today. So as per NMC guidelines, we are going ahead with the mentor-mentee program. I think the mentor-mentee meetings must be more often. So this is only the second meeting of the year. I have asked Dr. Bondana to place a specific date in each calendar year so that we have more meetings like this. So for today, the meetings I hope will take place immediately after this short introduction according to the mentors who are here. So if there are some mentors who are away on emergency duty or on leave, I hope that in the coming days or in the coming weeks, they will soon have the meeting that there is supposed to be. I hope all of you are taking it seriously and also on a happy note, because this is the only way we can interact one-to-one between teachers and students. I hope there is no gap that we used to find in our times. So I request all the mentees to share your problems or also to share your joy or any events that have occurred. And I request the mentors also to take the scheme very seriously so that you can behave as a mother or as a guardian to the students. So just like God cannot be everywhere, He has created mothers. But poor mothers, they also cannot be everywhere, so they have given us teachers. And even if you don't like teachers being there all the time, everywhere, there is no way out, because they are the only guides who can help you through this journey. So I already see that there are some mentees who are also looking like mentors nowadays. So I request you all that I hope you attain that position as early as possible. So whatever problems you may be having, personal level, at a class level, at a group level, or any kind of discomfort that you may be having, share it with the mentors. Let them place it all together and let us see that whether we can solve it or not. But I don't think there is any such problem in the college or in the institution that cannot be solved. If we put our heads together and our minds together, surely any problem can be faced together and we can also solve it. Right? So I hope all of you are as enthusiastic about the meetings as our mentors are. I hope all of you have had your meals so that you can go through the evening or the late afternoon as early as possible. I hope all the mentors are as ready as the students appear to be. And I hope all the newly appointed interns have had their lunch so that you can go through the meetings. So I request Dr. Bondana again to take over the meeting for today, because so that you can divide yourselves according to your mentors who are present here. And there have been a few more transfers who have come here to or will be a mentor in Difu Medical College for the first time today. I hope those mentors know whom they are replacing and who the students are. If not, introduce yourselves and go through the meetings as happily as you can. All right? So I cannot pinpoint what are the points to be discussed. It can be anything. It may be a personal one, it may be academic, it may be professional, or even any other issues, not necessarily issues, even happy times or whatever moments that you have that can be shared. So I request you once again to go ahead instead of waiting in this heat for the meetings to begin. So happy going all of you. Let us hope the meeting goes in a very good way. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Madam, for your valuable words towards the program. So now I like to request all the mentors. So please call upon your mentees, and you can meet them now or afternoon or maybe late afternoon also. So you can have a discussion with them, and as Baidu has said, accordingly. So our new faculties have already met their mentees, so it's a good thing. So anybody like to? So you want to say something about it? Okay. Like to say something about? You Dr. Lokti, lead the way with your mentees. Who are your mentees? Please come forward. Dr. Lokajit Baro. You're very fast.
Mentor
Dr. Giridhar Pathak, mentee of Giridhar Pathak sir.
हमारा रीति आना जे
Are you all present here?
ছয়টা পোৱালি
Dr. Bhaskar Das,
ভিডিঅ' কৰি আছো
can you connect your mentee?